Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Trick. Somebody sent me this, and when they import it and put it to another file, on another page, I don't import stuff. I go Control C and copy it. But watch the difference in the colors. The colors have lost. That outline is not the same color. So my question is, let me take this and go up to Object. Well, it's already ungrouped. Yep. So this ring needs to be the same color as this and also the letters. So safely, I'm going to move that ring out of the way. I'm going to move the text out of the way. So I just have the text, so I won't get into it. Now, we need that color. I've created a CMY color palette. I changed mine so I wouldn't have that color, and I don't have that color. But you just can't change that color. So what you're going to do is take a rectangle. Doesn't have to be perfectly square, but I'd make it square. Get the color eyedropper tool and get a sample of there and put it in there. Now what I would do is take this over your color palette and I'm going to bring it in and I'm going to have it click. So there's that color and it's really close to the other one. That one is CMYK 6100 and the new one's just 55. So it's really the same color. So then you could select all the, don't click on that, click on this. Whoop. Maybe I have to do one at a time. Nope, I'm doing the fill. I need to right click that color and then grab all that. And you can see that yellow is a fill. So this time we're gonna left click that fill. And we've got a little bit of a curlicue right there, little bad spot. I don't know if it'll show up. Maybe that's intentionally. Well, there's the other one they sent me. So I'm not going to worry about fixing that. Let's see what it looks like when it moves over. Maybe it'll be hidden. Yeah, well, it's not really hidden. You could fix that real easily. Well, let's fix it off the page. Let's select it. So now I'm going beyond. See, that inside is something totally different. Uh, the inside has is actually a, well, let's look at it with a yellow box. Object order, back of page. Well, it's just got an outline around it. We should be able to do that. Let's take away the fill. Let's take away the outline then. Yeah, it's an outline. So what we can do in that case is go back and go up to object and convert the outline to an object. And then you could left click, right click, and you could take those bad spots out. So I'm going beyond what they asked, but I'd actually, that looks pretty good. See, there's a couple of bad spots right there and you could just take them out. And, you know, the least amount of nodes you have, the smoother it's going to be. I would look all the way around. Whenever you have a lot of nodes like that together, there's probably a bad spot. So I would just delete them. Now we can take our Smart Fill tool or our color eyedropper and we'll go get the eyedropper tool and put it right here. Whoop. Get the eyedropper tool, click on that. There you go. And then see how much smoother it is? Then let's take away our yellow box. And there's another bad spot right there. So do that too. And there you have it. See, since we changed that, that changes this a little bit, but we could very easily move that down. So it won't be on the outside of the pack. I would just check all the way around because whenever you do that, you maybe mess up something. And see, I don't think we can change this bad spot. Yeah, we can. It'd actually be better to do it when it's on the graphic. See, like right there, you can see that. So you could grab it and bring that down and get rid of some of these bad spots. But just kind of look all the way around. I'm hoping that's what they were asking. Same thing on this one. You know, that is a several fields. Let's don't ever move anything, nudge it. Yeah, several fields. Ungroup it. See, that is a color style too. So if you're a CMYK because you're a printer, you just change it to a CMYK color. But you want to get that color. I don't know if we can do if it'll change it. I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool again. Sometimes you can use it or, come on. I need to move this out of the way. There we go. Now we have that color. Now, see, it's still a color style though. I don't think you can add it. I don't ever use my CMYK, so I don't mind adding a color. So I've added that color. Well, let's do this. Let's take this box. See, now it's an RGB color. I'm a little confused what's going on there. But they'll know. I think they'll know how to figure that out. This was probably the harder one. Just the colors weren't coming through when they import it. I don't. If you're gonna just like do some of these and do some of those, I would just, you know, Control C and copy it, and let's see what happens when we open a new page. Control C and paste it. See, that time the color stayed. So once you've got it like that with the new color, it's because those CMY colors are in my color palette. If you try to change it to something that's not in your color palette, I think the color palette is going to take over on the new page. Anyway, I hope that's what they were asking, and thank you for watching.